Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about a free website called Sectbot, where you can find profitable Telegram call channels. On the dApps page you can see all the calls that are being made by Telegram users, and some of them do have their own call channels. You can see all the callers' names, the coins they are trading, the blockchain, the time of trading, the win rate, and if you click on the names it will show you how many calls they have made. Below the page you can see the top traders. These people made some crazy calls and this list changes every couple of hours. To see if the trader has a Telegram call group, copy and paste the name in your Telegram app, and if you find the account, click on the profile, and if the account has a call channel, it will be listed here. It's easy. You can also search Sectbot for individual tokens. Copy the token address and paste it into the search field to display all the calls made for that coin, along with the timestamps and the users. You want to look for coins that are being repeatedly called within a short time frame by different accounts, like 6 to 10 calls in 15 minutes. This indicates a coin which is gaining traction. If you want to integrate Sectbot into your own Telegram call group, click the Sectbot link and join the channel. Once the bot is integrated, you can start tracking and making calls directly within your own group. Now, I already told you before that I am not a big fan of call groups. Many call groups are created by scammers who will dump a promoted token when their followers buy in. Do your own research before you join a group, especially when you have to pay for access. The only group that I know and can recommend is the Potion Alpha trading group by a trader called Orangey. If you've been into meme coins for a while, then you know Orangey. He makes thousands of dollars every day scalping meme coins, and he always trades live in the Potion Alpha Discord with other members. I have learned so much from this guy when I started, so I advise you to check out his videos if this is all new to you. Potion Alpha is a paid group, but they have a free Discord and wallet tracker, which is really good. You can track up to 5 wallets and get 1000 notifications per day with custom sounds. I use the wallet tracker all the time to check which coins the big traders are buying. If you are looking for a reliable group to learn from and get access the best trading tools and programs to make a lot of money with meme coins, then this group is for you. They have different memberships, so pick the one you need or sign up for free and you can always upgrade later. The link to Potion Alpha is in the description below. Simply connect to the site with your Discord and watch Orangey's video first in the Start Here page to see how it works. Thanks for being here again, and if you have any questions about this video, post them in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to smash the notification bell to get my videos first. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.